We'll guide you through how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator profile. Let's get right into this. The first thing you need to do is either go to the top right of Facebook or the bottom right, depending on where the menu button is for you. In my case, it's in the bottom right, so I'll click there. Then what you need to do is then go to the top where it says see your profile and click there, and this will take you to your profile page. And once you're on your profile page, you then need to go to the top right where there are 3 dots in between a pen icon and a magnification glass. Click there and this is going to go and open up a menu. Then what you need to do is look down the profile settings page. And as you can see near the bottom, we've got the option for turn on professional mode. You need to go and click on that button there. As you can see here, it says add new tools to your profile so that you can grow as a creator. Then all you need to do is go and tap on turn on like this, and it's going to go and load like this, and just wait and you'll then be taken to the next page. You'll then be taken to this professional mode setup page, and as you can see there's quite a few different things to do. You can go and establish your presence, you can connect with your audience, and you can also go and check out your privacy settings as well. So you click here and you can go and add or edit your bio, and then what you can do is select your profile category. So let's say you're a creator, so type in digital creator just like that. And then you can go and click there. So you can go through all those different sections there and fully customize your professional account and ultimately be a digital creator on Facebook.